Hi girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is BabyDrea's Beauty and today I will be showing you girls how to make hair growth serum. The first thing you girls will need is a plastic plate, aluminum foil so nothing will get dirty while you're making it. You will also need some gloves, and don't forget that I will be putting all the items that I used in this video in the description down below. Right here I'm just putting on my gloves and struggling a little bit, but I'm getting there. Also, please do not mind my hairy arms. I so apologize. Okay, like I said, you will be needing a plate. You will also be needing a plastic spoon. You will also be needing a pipette, not just one but two, as well as flavoring oils. The oils you'll be needing is grapeseed oil, castor oil, and avocado oil. Alright, so right here I'm showing you guys the new hair growth serum tubes that I got. These hair growth serum tubes are so cute and bigger than the ones that I was selling before. I'm so excited for the new arrival, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you will be pouring in your plate is castor oil. You can put as much oil as you want. It's your preference depending on how many tubes you're going to be filling up. Next, you'll be adding grapeseed oil, and like I said, you can put as much as you want as well, but I do prefer putting more grapeseed oil and avocado oil to make it a bit thinner. So now we will be pouring our avocado oil into our bowl. Alright, so now it's time to mix with our spoon. Okay, so now I'm gonna be grabbing my flavoring oils, and the scent that I will be using for my hair growth serum is the coconut oil. This scent smells so good, and I will be grabbing my pipette and putting about 10 drops inside my hair growth serum. So this is actually optional, you don't have to put a scent, but this is my first time putting a scent and I think it came out amazing. There is no problem putting a scent inside your hair growth serum. It's just so it can smell amazing, and you will actually be able to purchase this on my website. My website will also be in the description down below, and I will be giving you girls a code so you guys can get money off your order from watching my YouTube video. Appreciating all of you girls that support me, and boys as well, because you know we're all in this together. So right here I am showing you guys that I just got out my wand tubes. These are washed. I washed them a day before, actually no, 2 days before. I put them in a clean Ziploc bag, and now I'm gonna get my tubes out of the other bag. Yes, I did wash these as well. Okay, so right here I'm actually gonna be doing my first attempt using these funnel little things that they gave me with the tubes. So let's get started with that. I will be grabbing the funnel, putting it inside the tube. The funnels are actually washed as well. They're sanitized good, as well as the tubes. Right here, I'm going to be grabbing my syringe, and I will be attempting to put the oil inside the tube. This is my first time doing it with a syringe, and I wanted to see if it would work. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so right here it's going a bit well, but as you can see, it gets full really quick, the funnel, and it does go down like really quick. Like, I did like it in the beginning, but I was struggling with the syringe. The oil would get stuck too much at the tip of the syringe, or too much air will go inside the syringe while the oil was inside, which is not good because you're catching more air than the serum. So I am gonna try to do, well, I'm not gonna try because I've done it before. I'm going to do what I've always done. I just wanted to try it this way that I've seen before, but it didn't work out for me, so I'm just gonna do it my way. So let's get to the second attempt. Okay, so right here I'm showing you guys that I'm going to be taking off the funnel because it did not work at all. So my attempt that I've always tried is using a pipette and filling them up like that. It does take forever. I'm telling you girls out right now, it does take forever to fill them up with a pipette, but that's the only easiest way that I can do it. I don't know if anyone else has an easier way, but this is my way to do it. So yes, I will be fast forwarding it so you guys can watch it without getting too bored. Okay, so I am officially done, and I actually only showed you guys how to make 5. I did cut some clips, but I did make 10 in reality. So this is how they look. I think they look so gorgeous. These are 10 milliliters, and I'm so glad that I got these because the ones that I had before were so small. They were 4 milliliters. And yes, I can't wait for all you girls to purchase this on my website. They are so beautiful, and if you guys are gonna put these on, make sure to put them on before bed. Your eyebrows, your edges, your lashes, so they can grow so perfectly. Look how good they look. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a good night, good day, good morning. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what else you guys would like to see. Shop now at BabyDrea's Beauty. Thank you girls for watching. Bye.